Hello, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to manage your time. So, it's a very important skill, whether you are working in a corporate world or in a job. It's very important that you should know how to manage your time. Despite it doesn't matter if you are working from home, you are working on field, on site. It's the most important. It's a very important skill to learn. And what happened is that we make our to-do list that we will follow this list from next day. But what happened is, despite making to-do list, we are not able to manage our time. We continuously thinking about the day, and what happened is that we fail in everything. So what happened is that for that I thought I should make a video related to this topic and tell you how you can manage your time easily without facing any kind of other hustle or struggle in your task. So let's start it. So you make your to-do list last night. You already made it or two, so you can start working your on your tasks the next day once in the morning. But for that, what you have to do, what you have to do is that when you wake up, just go through that list and then just think about it, that what is the most important thing and what is the most important task I should do first. Because you have to prioritize your tasks. Otherwise, what happens is that you just, if you pick your task randomly from your task list, you will not be able to do anything, because at some point you will be tired and burn out, and you really need to you will be frustrated enough to just stop doing everything. So it's really important to prioritize your tasks and start your day with that task, and do it with full focus and don't care about any other thing. Just do it, because if you do it that task with consistently, at least for a year or at least for 3 to 4 months, you will get some kind of result. Trust me guys, you will be happy by your progress and by your hard work that I'm getting at some point. So now move to the second thing. You just prioritize your tasks, you are start getting your result, but still something is missing in your time management skills. So how you can be more productive and result oriented in your while you're managing your time is to set deadline. So it doesn't mean that just you prioritize your tasks and just start working on that task whole day, and just you just putting all the efforts on that task without even realizing that how much you giving time to that task. So for that, what you have to do is to set deadline for that task. Set, what I mean by this, that you should tell to yourself or just write it down in front of that task, that I will complete the task. You could say in a month, if that's you, if you set some kind of deadline, or you could say that I will complete this task in 2 to 3 hours, and then I will move to the second task. So what happen is that you just give some kind of deadline to your mind, and whatever happened and whatever difficulty I will face in this task, I will complete it that task in during this certain deadline. So trust me guys, if you follow this, you will be able to achieve and complete your tasks within the deadline, and with full creativity and your with full focus. So you have to do that. So you can even use to make your life more easy and to manage your time more effectively. So you can even use some kind of time management tools. You can use Notion as well. You can use if you don't have anything, just write it down your tasks and everything to Google Calendar, and just follow that calendar, and it will give you a reminder by time. So your mind will be on alert that I will have to do that task to complete that task into that specific deadline. So you have to manage your time by using that time management skills as well. Now move to the next thing, is that if you don't have time, you also work 5 days a week or 4 days a week, and you don't have time to manage your personal goals to that complete that task. So you can, let me give you an example here. If you make videos for YouTube, and you don't have time, you don't get the time to do the editing after making the video. So to make your life easy, you can even hire someone in it could be an intern or fresh graduate, and you can give them proper wage or hourly rates, so they can learn from that experience, and your work also done on time. So this is the easiest way to make your time and manage your time more effectively. So what happen is that by doing that and by hiring someone, not only you are helping someone to learn your business about your business, but you are helping yourself as well, and giving yourself some time to focus on more important work than doing editing after completing your task. So this is the more important thing, that we don't care usually about that thing, and then think about it, why do I have to pay someone, despite I can do it myself as well. But keep in mind that by doing that thing, you are giving yourself a huge favor. You are saving a lot of time by doing that, and so you have to do that if you can afford it, and you are earning earning well enough. So you have to hire someone. It's very important. And after doing everything, and you are start getting results whatever you are doing, and managing your time and planning your day and completing your tasks on time, and after some point, after 2 3 months, you also achieve your goals as well. Small goals, I'm not talking about the long term goals. So it's the time to celebrate your progress. It doesn't matter it's a small success or big success, just celebrate that you did it despite facing every kind so many hurdles. You just believe in yourself and focus on yourself and committed to yourself, and all of the other ways that you did it with consistently. So it's time to celebrate that progress. Trust me guys, when you celebrate your small successes, so you will feel very happy internally, and you feel very confident that I can do big things as well in my life. So it's very important, whatever you do it with consistently, and do it with the full focus, and do it, take it as a passion, that I want to do this and this is my passion, and learn everything about that skill or whatever you want to achieve it. So, and trust me guys, if you don't, whatever you want to achieve in your life, you have to develop some kind of routine. Or despite, I know, especially if you belong to South Asian community or Asian community, it's really hard to manage your time, because you just get involved in so many things. You have to fulfill so many commitment along with your work. You have to focus on your, give time to your family as well, and also have to do house chore as well, and do other things as well. So manage other things as well is quite difficult, and sometimes your friends and relatives come to your house to meet you, so you have to reschedule everything from your schedule to do and achieve your goals, and so many things going on your mind because your schedule disturb all over again. But you have to manage if you follow these steps, and one by one, trust me guys, with consistently. While I'm saying this, consistency is important, really important. If you don't do this thing with consistently, and do this one thing 2 days 3 days, and just you think that I'm done with it, so no, trust me guys, think good things take time, and you have to be patient with yourself, and don't try too hard that you just reach out at that point that you just get confused in everything. So you have to be mindful, and just give yourself some time, and be committed to yourself despite whatever people say about you and your routine and everything. Just committed to yourself. It doesn't matter, you can even give just 2 to 3 hours daily to your personal development. After working hours late at before going to sleep, you can learn about your field in more in depth. So you don't even have any kind of idea how much you can go far as compared to your colleagues and other people. So keep in mind these things, and trust me guys, if you can follow this routine with consistently, and I know you will have to face a lot of difficulty by doing this while you follow this routine, but you have to do it. I did it before as well, and I'm planning to do it again. So hope it will help you to manage your time and achieve your goal in to achieve whatever goal you set for yourself for this year. So that's it for now. I will come up with more videos like this or related to other topics. So hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Bye.